Hi, I'm Deanna. I have normal skin that tends to be sensitive, so I'm grateful for 100% pure skincare and all of their natural formulas that are free of synthetic fragrances, chemical preservatives, and any other harsh ingredients. My first step is to cleanse with 100% Pure's Charcoal Clay Cleanser. It washes away my sunblock, makeup, and all other impurities without stripping, dehydrating, or irritating my skin. I'm addicted to my second step, the 100% Pure Sea Culture Toner. It immediately plumps my skin with deep hydration, and my complexion feels incredibly soft after using it. The organic, very nourishing formula is a slightly watery gel consistency due to the gelatinous seaweed and chia seed gel, which locks in water hydration and is incredibly soothing. The biofermented sea cultures are full of healthy probiotics that keep my skin biomes happy as well. I mask as often as I can. My favorite mask is the 100% Pure Green Tea Water Balm Facial Mask. It's a hydrogel formula that gets thinner and thinner the longer I keep it on my skin, which means my skin is absorbing all the hydration it has to offer. The gel consistency is from a blend of concentrated green tea and hyaluronic acid. It delivers a strong dose of green tea antioxidants, and I love how this mask instantly rejuvenates and perks up my skin. For the next step in my routine, I use the skin-soothing 100% Pure Green Tea EGCG Serum. It delays aging and protects my skin against environmental damage. This antioxidant-packed serum contains as much green tea polyphenols as 1,000 cups of green tea. I adore the 100% Pure Green Tea EGCG Moisturizer because it leaves my complexion very soft and moisturized. This fast-absorbing, nutrient-rich moisturizer is made with acai berry butter, olive squalane, yerba mate, and is loaded with green tea polyphenols. It makes my skin healthy, glowing, and vibrant. For my eyes, I use the Superfruit Eye Cream because it's rich in superfruit oils and deeply moisturizes and reduces signs of aging. I use it all around my eyes, including my eyelids and the sides to prevent crow's feet and wrinkles. 100% Pure formulas are extremely healthy and nourishing without any toxins, which is perfect for my normal but sensitive skin.